Add or subtract. Assume all variables represent positive real numbers. 5 square roots of 48 minus 6 square roots of 12 plus 6 square roots of 75. Our first step is to simplify each term. So we're going to look for the highest perfect square factor of each radicand in order to simplify. So for our first term, we have 5, and the highest perfect square factor of 48 is 16, and 16 times 3 gives us 48. Our second term, the highest perfect square factor of 12 is 4, so we're going to rewrite this as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3 plus the highest perfect square factor of 75 is 25, so we're going to rewrite 75 as 25 times 3. So for our first term again, this becomes 5 times the square root of 16 is 4 times the square root of 3. For our second term, we have 6 times the square root of 4, which is 2, times the square root of 3. And for our last term, 6 times the square root of 25 is 5 times the square root of 3. So 5 times 4 is 20 square roots of 3 minus 6 times 2 is 12 square roots of 3 plus 6 times 5 is 30 square roots of 3. We're now going to combine our like terms. Since each of these have a radicand that's 3, we're going to combine our coefficients as we move from left to right. So 20 square roots of 3 minus 12 square roots of 3 would give us 8 square roots of 3. And 8 square roots of 3 plus 30 square roots of 3 give us 38 square roots of 3. So our answer would be 38 times the square root of 3.